Also at the lower house, 3 Filipina beauties were accorded due recognition for their achievements in international competitions. Christine Santos with the details.
The beauty and prowess of Filipino beauty queens were once again recognized today as Miss International 2013 Bea Rose Santiago, 2013 Miss Supranational Mutia Datul, and 2013 Miss Universe third runner-up Ariela Arida have been given an award of recognition from the Congress. House Speaker Feliciano Belmonte said in this time of great calamities in the country, there were these international beauty pageant winners in which the Filipino nation can be proud of.
Many Filipinos have remarked, and I fully agree, that in this time of great calamities in our country, the fact that we have these international beauty pageant winners really is a welcome news. And I would like, on behalf of the members of the Congress, to congratulate all of you and to say na maraming salamat sa inyo for putting forward the best face of our country. And without members of our Filipinos take pride in what you have accomplished.
The beauty queens, on the other hand, were very thankful for the award, which represents their contribution in the country. Along with gratefulness, they said this achievement were mainly for Filipinos as they pledged to continue making our country proud.
Papasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat sa pag-welcome niyo po sa amin dito. And we're very proud to have this award. At para po sa inyong lahat, para sa buong Pilipinas, itong laban po namin ay inaalay po namin para sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.
From the bottom of our heart, we want to say thank you so much for honoring us. And of course, kahit who doing all their job for our country. And nagpapasalamat kami for giving a chance to represent our country and for making our country proud.
So I really want to thank everyone for welcoming us here, for giving us time, and for giving us an award. We really gave our best for our country, and I'm very happy that we made everyone proud. We're very proud to be Filipino, and we're very happy to be here. Thank you.
For People's Television Network, this is Christine Santos.